Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Divya Lamore and you are watching Elite Art Club. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button because I make informational videos about modern and abstract art. So let's get started with the painting which we have today is this, which is acrylic on canvas, and name of the painting is One Creator. So this painting has three sections and two parts. The middle section which you see over here is the common link between the other two sections. So let's start with the left section, which is this. Here what we see is a man on some planet. Let's say the planet is Cosmos. See, so on planet Cosmos, there is a person sitting and watching the sky on top of him. The sky is orange. This is the color of sky that I have given to this painting, and this is some planet. This is an imaginary planet which I have made out of my thoughts, and over there is another planet which is planet Earth. So here we have green planet, which is our planet, planet Earth, and this is a human being. It is a girl. She is sitting in a garden under a tree thinking what is going around in her life. And on top of her, it is blue sky, dark blue sky covered with stars. So this blue sky with the loaded with stars, which we can see here, this sky I have made over here with the moon and the beautiful sky that we have on planet Earth. On top of Cosmos planet, our imaginary planet, on top of this planet I have made this sky, and this the other sky which is on top of Cosmos planet, this sky I have made over there on top of planet Earth. By this interchange of sky, I want to show that these both, planet Earth and planet Cosmos, share a common sky, or in more scientific words, you can say a common space they share, a common universe. So this is what the meaning of these two sections. Now let me explain you the middle section of the painting. This middle section contains the fact of the painting, which is common on both the planets, or what we can say, which is common for the entire universe as far as we know, as far as discovered by scientists around us. So it starts with a man. This is a man. This figure which I have made in golden color is a man holding on to his women. This is how he is in pink and green. I have made his women holding on to her. He is showing his affection towards her, and by this love and affection they are able to make or create a baby, which is this white color baby, and the mother is holding on to the baby. Now when this baby is born, it does not have any color. It is of white color. It is untouched and it is pure. So this is the creation part of it. Then moving on to when they become society, when they create a society, when they are touched by their company, be it good or bad company, co-conspirators. Few will have exposure to very bad things and few will have exposure to very good things, and that is how by the exposure, good or bad things, they will become different people. And so we have here different colors, different shapes, and with those colors and shapes I want to show the type of people and kind of people we have in society. So this is how it is all created. And what does this white color dome figure shows? This shows that we have a creator. What I want to show, it is not what actually everybody will think of it in that way. What I want to show is we have a common creator. So he is the creator and he is the superpower who controls and coordinates all the phenomena around us, and he is the reason of our being into anywhere around the earth, be it planet earth or be it some other planet around us. So that's why he is on top of everything, all the ruckus which is going around. So he is behind everything. So to sum up, I have used flat broad brush to make this painting. This is acrylic matte, somewhere matte and somewhere normal acrylic color I have used, and also I used my finger to make this painting. So guys, if this video has added any value to your present information and present knowledge, please turn the black thumb blue and hit the subscribe button if you are new to my YouTube channel. So stay safe, stay healthy and stay home. Till then, thank you, see you, bye bye.